Hello, I'm giving a demo on the EasyAqua Robot. I will cover the algorithm and the Tinkercad circuit design in this video. If there is no rain detected by the other robot named RainCheck, it will send a signal to the EasyAqua to water the garden. With the camera, the EasyAqua will then move forward to a marker in the garden, stop, and then start the pump so it can release the water through a spout. It will water for a specific amount of time and continue up to 4 stops, and then it will return to its original docking station. In Tinkercad, I built a circuit which has an Arduino board at the bottom. I have connected wires to an HC SR04 sensor and a breadboard, which are placed above the Arduino. The sensor will receive data from the RainCheck bot and detect distance. There are 2 motors which will run this robot. One motor will execute the movement, and the second motor will be initiated for watering. There's also a 9-volt battery and an L293D chip to power and control the motors. I'll begin the simulation and go over the code for this circuit. Note that the motor position above the breadboard is used for moving the robot, and the motor to the right of the breadboard is used for watering. The first motor will rotate clockwise forward, but when it returns home, you'll notice that it will rotate counterclockwise, moving backwards. I will begin the simulation now and talk through the code. At the top, I set my variables. Next, in the void setup, I configured the pin modes to either send out or read in the pins. Lastly, I set my serial begin function to print values I'd like to log. Now for the void loop, for the sake of this demo, I will set the IR receive signal from RainCheck to water. I've set the LED light to light up using the digital write function set to high. I wrote a for loop where I've set the value of j to equal 1 to start with, but we'll stop repeating the move forward and water command once the value reaches 5. This loop will capture how many times the robot will water. The robot will move forward to the first location in the garden by setting the motor pin 1 to high, and motor pin 2 will be set to low. It will then stop by setting both motor pins to low. It will water for 5,000 milliseconds or 5 seconds by setting motor pin 3 to high and motor pin 4 to low. Finally, I stop the watering by setting motor pins 3 and 4 both to low and log that the watering has completed using the serial print and serial print line functions. This will repeat until it has watered 4 times, and then it will return back to its home. Thank you for watching.